Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Okay, me again. Guys, this video is going to be very simple. I'm just going to do like a young house tour just to kind of show you what I've been living like for the past, I think it's been 10 months that I've been living here. I'm actually in the process of moving out because my lease expires in the next couple of days. So, not really going to show you my room because it's a bit of a mess but what I'm going to do is I'm going to just give you guys a house tour, give you guys some tips in terms of like finding accommodation when you get here. I don't know, like just to share my experience. Okay, just to keep things short, I've been living here for 10 months. I got this place through Kijiji where I put a little post saying I'm looking for accommodation, and then someone, like my roommate's mom, responded telling me that there's a room available at her daughter's place. That's how I got this accommodation. I have a video, I think it was my first video about life in Canada, where I left some links and I spoke about how I went about finding accommodation, so you can actually also go there and look. So this is off-campus accommodation. It's just a short walk from to Fanshawe College. Fanshawe College is a 12-minute walk from where I live. If you walk fast like me, 12 minutes. If you're slow-po, it's 20 minutes. Those of you who are specifically coming to Fanshawe or Canada, whatever, I think it's just like, it's so much more cost efficient probably to live off campus. As some of you already know, I actually have 3 other roommates. I'll talk about the living with roommates experience in another video, but truth be told, I'm actually pretty excited to move out, just because like I feel like it's just going to be so much more comfortable for me to like live elsewhere. But yeah, as I said, we'll get into the whole roommate conversation another video. That's also a big one. Like you really need to consider the people that you're gonna live with. It's very important. I cannot stress the importance of finding the right roommates. If you can, live with your friends, like people that you actually are familiar with and that you know you'll be comfortable with. But I mean, that isn't always the case. Like not everyone has that option, but just saying. But as I said, we'll get into that in another video. Let me show you a bit of the house. I'm not going to show you like areas that, you know, I'm not supposed to show you. For example, I'm not going to show you my homie's room. I'm not going to show you the bathroom because it's just not necessary. But as I said, we live in a house. There are, oh my god. Yeah, so this house has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and then a living common area, kitchen. You'll see, I can't remember, but I'm just going to show you a quick tour of the house. I'm living here. While I was living here, I was paying rent for less than 600, just under 600 Canadian dollars. There are more cost efficient options out there, so when you get to Canada, you're just going to have to look. Or yeah, I think like it's just so much easier to find accommodation when you get here. So yeah, as I said, I'm in the process of moving out. I'm not going to show you my room. It's a big mess. It's disgusting. Even have like tomato sauce on my like bed sheets, but too much info. So we have the bathroom here. Not going to show you. So yes, this house has 3 floors, as you can see. Very comfortable space, very pretty. Here is the common area. I don't really chill here just because I prefer chilling in my room. And then we have the kitchen. I'm usually always in the kitchen because I gotta make my food all the time. Here is another bathroom with the laundry. And now the 3rd floor. So here again, guys, we have another room, and then we have, I actually already know, I've never actually, okay, I think that's just the boiler room. And then we have our coat rack, and then I think this is just a storage room, another storage room, and then we got the garage which you don't really need to see. So yeah, as I said, guys, like it's actually quite a spacious place to live in. Okay, what I left the light on. But yeah, spacious house, very comfortable. I enjoyed living here, I must say. That is just a quick tour of the house. As I said, yeah, I liked living here, so it is a bit of like a bittersweet moment for me as I pack and prepare to leave. Sorry guys, I had to catch my breath. I was so tired from walking down the stairs and stuff. I just went to gym. Anyway, as I was saying, I really did like living here. I don't know what it's like in the other cities, but truth be told, if you're coming to study here, it's just like easier and more cost efficient to live with other people. So yeah, if you can get your friends, people you're familiar with, and try to move in with them, then that's good. Or if that's not even a possibility, just, I don't know, like feel out the people that you're going to move in with, and then make a decision from there. Get some, advice from, people around you. I didn't say that. If I could live by myself from the get-go, that would have been great, but I probably would have been paying over $1,000, even here in London. I don't know, actually. Yeah, I mean, they are probably cheap living alone options that I don't even know about. So, yeah, I'm not a know-it-all. Just saying. Yeah. Guys, my advice would be to just look for the accommodation when you get here. I don't even know if it's a possibility to find I mean, it is, obviously, but I don't know. I just feel like it's just better to get here and then look for accommodation. Unless you want to live on campus, which I don't know if it's possible right now because we are in the middle of a pandemic. Then yeah, but now yeah, best regards management. I have to like get packing. I need to, yeah, there's so much I need to do, but yeah, bye.